Hello and welcome to part 3 of the Diamond Stitch Pants holiday series. We're gonna just go over how to assemble the 4 panels that you made, a few customization options. So you can either keep that cutout design if you like that, or I'm gonna teach you how to add in pockets. You'll have the option to either keep the waistband as is or add a zipper. So we're gonna go over all of those modifications of the original design. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, or you've never started any of the pant panels at all, just go ahead and check out the part 2 and the part 1 that I previously posted. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. You're gonna start by just making sure all of your panels have a single crochet row at the bottom. And then you're gonna take the back panels first and make sure that the straight sides are facing outwards and that curved increased side is facing in. And then you're gonna lay your front diamond stitch panels on top of the back ones with the straight edge of it facing inwards and then the curved side facing out. Once you've aligned your panels correctly, you're just going to take that front panel and then flip it to face downwards. Starting with the crotch side or then the left side of the panel, measure the recommended amount of inches down the front crotch from where the waistband is, and that's where you're going to start slip stitching that front piece to the back piece until you get to the bottom of your panel. You'll do the same thing to the other side, starting at the recommended amount of inches from the waistband, and you'll slip stitch that front piece to the back piece until you get to the bottom of the panel. If you've decided not to add a zipper to your pants, you can skip this part, but before we attach the zipper, we're going to make a zipper cover by chaining 4, yarning over, and making a double crochet working into the base of that chain 4. Then make another 4 double crochets in that same chain space. Chain 1, turn, and start working the diamond stitch by yarning over and inserting your hook into the base of that 3rd double crochet from the hook to make your first front post double crochet. Then you'll single crochet in the next 3 spaces to yarn over again and make your front post double crochet into the same stitch to complete the V. You'll single crochet in the last stitch of that row, chain 3 and turn to repeat, working the diamond stitch to make the zipper cover. So it's essentially the diamond stitch, except we're only making 1 diamond for this zipper cover. Continue working the diamond stitch zipper cover until it measures an inch past what your zipper length is. If you're not adding a zipper, this is where you're going to connect your two front panels, either using a slip stitch or a tapestry needle. But if you've just completed your zipper cover, you're going to be using the front right panel, and starting at that waistline, you're going to slip stitch to attach that zipper cover to the front right panel. Switching to a tapestry needle, sew each side of your zipper to the front panels while working a running stitch. You can also double up on this just to make sure that it's super secure. Sew across the bottom and then less than ½ inch up the side of the cover. This will make sure that it's laying flat over the zipper. So using your thick elastic, wrap it around your waist and cut, leaving about 1 inch left. And then you're going to pull that elastic through that folded waistband using a safety pin. I ended up using a thinner elastic and regretted it later. You definitely want to make sure you're using the thick kind. Then you'll sew the two ends of the elastic together and then slip stitch the waistband closed. Slip stitch and chain 1 all the way around to connect your waistband to your pant panels. These are my results with an elastic band that was too thin, which is why it's warping the waistband a little bit, but make sure to sew up your sides. My cutouts are only 5 inches in depth. Fold the pocket in half and single crochet and chain 1 along all 3 sides, leaving one side open. Then turning your pants inside out, you'll single crochet and chain run around the cutout, making sure to really stretch out your pocket so it really fits.